Hi everyone, today our topic about transformation of axis from 1B exercise 2A. First section, first problem. When the origin is shifted to 4 comma minus 5. Origin shifted to on a plane another point. By the translation of axis, find the coordinates of the following points with reference to new axis. Origin 0 comma 0, new origin denoted here h comma k. What is the new origin? 4 comma minus 5. Let point p x comma y given point 0 comma 3 be shifted to x dash comma y dash. Before this point from origin o, it's x comma y. Now new origin o dash, point p x dash comma y dash by the translation of axis. Then to find the new point, x dash comma y dash is equal to x minus h y minus k formula. Now x value is 0 and h value is 4. Y value, this is x, this is y, this is h, this is k. X equal to 0, h is equal to 4, y is equal to 3 minus k equal to minus 5. 0 minus 4 comma minus into minus plus 3 plus 5 8. 4 minus 4 comma 8. See, same problem for our understanding sake. This is a plane divided into 4 parts. Write anti-clockwise. First part, second part, third part, fourth part. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Okay, x horizontal line, ox vertical line, oy. Where these two axes intersect, that point is origin o, 0 comma 0. Now this point shifted to another point on a plane. What is that point? In the question given 4 comma minus 5, new origin. So check where is value of x4 here. Maybe origin at any point on this line. Then value of y minus 5 based on this previous x axis, y axis, minus 5 here. So this point minus, what is this point? 4 comma minus 5. 4 comma minus 5. 4 minus 5. This is the new origin. Okay. Now first question is 0 comma 3. X value 0, y value 3. This is the first question. 0 comma 3 with old coordinate axis. Now check where this point with new axis. Here origin o, x dash, y dash. In this case only axes are transformed, their origin changed, but axis directions are not changed. This x axis, x dash axis both are in parallel, y axis, y dash axis both are parallel. Here axis directions are not changed, only origin change. Now check what is the distance or where located this point using this new origin. Now this ox and oy you forget. With new origin h comma k, 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this, 1 2 3 4 5 like this. Here minus 1 minus 2, minus 1 minus 2, minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6. Now check where located this point on x axis first. Here is 0, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. So first minus 4 comma y axis, x axis 1, 2, 3 minus 4, and y axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 4 comma 8. See, minus 4 comma 8. Now second one, same question. Minus 2 comma 4 point, new origin is 4 comma minus 5. This is new origin 4 comma minus 5, and previous x-axis y-axis point is minus 2 comma 4, where minus 2 comma 4 x-axis minus 2 4 here. This is minus 2 comma 4 with the previous set of axes. Now to check with this new axis what is the distance this point. Second question, see, x-axis first, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Okay, then y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Y-axis 9, minus 6 comma 9, minus 6 comma 9. Now simplification method, minus 2 comma 4 is a point for old axis, new origin is h comma k 4 comma minus 5. Let point p x comma y minus 2 comma 4 old point be shifted to changed as x dash y dash by the translation of axis. Then value of x dash y dash is equal to x minus h y minus k. This is x, this is y, this is h, this is k. X minus 2 x comma y and h comma k, x minus 2 minus h 4 comma y 4 minus k minus 5. Minus 2 minus 4 minus 6, minus into minus plus 4 plus 5 9, minus 6 comma 9. Here also we got minus 6 comma 9. Now in this third problem, 4 comma minus 5 old point, check new point, origin same 4 comma minus 5. This is a x, no h comma k. In this case origin also 4 comma minus 5, new point also 4 comma minus 5, both are same. Origin 4 comma minus 5 and the point itself also minus 4 comma minus 5. So same point distance is 0. Here x minus h 4 minus 4, y minus k, y minus 5 minus half minus 5 minus into minus plus 5 get cancelled. So 0 comma 0. With this first one completed. Now second one, the origin is shifted to 2 comma 3 by the translation of axis. Origin shifted at 2 comma 3. If the coordinates of a point P change as follows, P also change, find the coordinates of P in the original system. Before problem we had original P point and we found shifted point value. Okay, in this case shifted P point given means P of x dash y dash given, asked to find P of x comma y. 4 comma 5, new origin 2 comma 3, new coordinates are given the question x dash y dash is equal to 4 comma 5, old coordinates are x comma h, x comma y is equal to, this is the formula, x dash plus h, y dash plus k. This is the x dash y dash, this is h comma k. Simply you substitute the values, 4 2 6, 5 plus 3 8. Now use this graph to understand better. X axis, y axis, what is the new origin? 2 comma 3, 2 3, this is the new origin. Now new origin points are what? 4 comma minus 5. New origin points 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7 minus 8, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7 minus 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now What are the new coordinates 4, 5? 4 here, x value, y value 5. Now check this point using old axis. Old axis here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. X value is 6. X value is 6 and y value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Y value is 8. 6, 8. See? 6, 8. Now, minus 4, 3. New origin h, k, 2, 3. This is new origin 2, 3. New coordinates minus 4, 3. In this case, minus 4, x value minus 4 and y value is 3. Where y value 3? Here. Minus 4, 3. Now check with the old axis. Old axis minus 1, minus 2. X value is minus 2. And y value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Y value is 6. Minus 2, 6. See? Minus 2, 6. For your understanding sake, I am using this graph paper. Now, new origin h, k, 2, 3, new coordinate 0, 0, then old coordinates. New origin here, h, k, 2, 3, okay. New coordinates x dash, y dash, same here, 0, 0. Then the distance from old origin, x value is 2, y value is 3, 2, 3. I hope you understood first and second problem. Now next, third problem. Find the point to which the origin is to be shifted so that the point 3, 0 may change 2, minus 3. In first case asked to find x dash, y dash. In second case asked x, y. In this case directly asked new origin, shifted origin. So let what the point given 3, 0 original coordinates of P and new coordinates also given x dash, y dash, 2, minus 3 be the new coordinates. Let O dash means new origin, shifted origin, h, k be the new origin. To find this, see, using this formula we can find a value of h, x dash, x like this. X is equal to x dash plus h, we know. Write h as a subject, then send this x dash is equal to that side. X minus x dash, y minus y dash. 3 minus 2, 0 off. 0 minus half, minus 3 minus into minus plus. 3 minus 2, 1. 0 plus 3, 3. 1, 3. For this one also see. Here x axis, y axis. Shifted origin asked us. Now old point, what is the old point? 3, 0. This is the point 3, 0. The new origin is away from this point 2, minus 3. 2, minus 3. With this point new origin away 2, minus 3. Means where you located new origin, with that origin to distance for this point is 2, minus 3. So 1, 2. This is a new origin line. Minus 3 means minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. Here new origin. Now check here this point. X value is 1, 2. Y value is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So 2, minus 3. Now where this new origin is located with the respective old axis, 1 x value 1 and y value is 3. This point located 1, 3. See 1, 3. Okay. Now next fourth one. When the origin is shifted to minus 1, 2, origin shifted to another point minus 1, 2, by the translation of axis, find the transformed equations of the following. given equation, origin is shifted h comma k, value is minus 1 comma 2. Equation of transformation or x dash plus h, y equal to y dash plus k. We had the values, this is h, this is k, and x is equal to x dash plus h. X dash value we don't know, x dash plus h value minus 1, y dash plus k value 2. X dash plus into minus minus, here same as it is, x comma y, x dash minus 1, y dash plus 2. To write maybe it will be confused, so remove these dashes. X value is x minus 1, y value is y plus 2. Simply you substitute these values, x besides x minus 1, y besides y plus 2 in this given equation. X besides x minus 1, y besides y plus 2, x besides x minus 1, y besides y plus 2. This one in the form of a minus b whole square. A plus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. So x square plus 1 is 1 minus 2 into x into 1, 2x plus a plus b whole square. Y square plus 2 2s are 4 plus 2 into y into 2, 2 to 4, y 4y plus 2 into x, 2x minus plus into minus minus 2, 1 is 2. Again minus minus into plus minus 4, 1 is 4, and this way minus into plus minus 4 2s are 8, this remaining plus 1 plus 1. Now simplify with like terms. X square, is there any another x square? No, so write x square. Y square, another y square? No, write y square. Minus 2x plus 2x, minus and plus get cancel, then plus 4y minus 4y get cancel. Now remaining constant numbers, minus 8, minus 2, minus 10, 4 and 1, 5, and this already one more 1. First you add all positive numbers and negative numbers, minus 10 plus 1 plus 5 plus 6 minus 10, x square plus y square minus 4 equal to 0. Simplification. Okay, fourth problem, first one completed. Now fourth problem, second one. 2x square plus y square minus 4x plus 4y equal to 0, given equation. New origin in the problem given h comma k minus 1 comma 2. Let x dash y dash be the new coordinates of x comma y. Then the transformation equation are x value x dash plus h, y value y dash plus k. This one is very important formula. Using this we can build new formulas also. You substitute these values. X dash we don't know, h minus 1, k 2, minus 1 2, x minus 1, y plus 2. You substitute x besides x minus 1, y besides y plus 2. Substitute. Okay, equation written. 2 of x value x minus 1, y value y plus 2, x minus 1, y plus 2. A minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab, x square plus 1 square minus 2ab, 2 into x, 2x into 1, 2x plus a square y square plus b square, 2 2s are 4 plus 2ab, 2 into y into 2, 2 to 4 and y 4y, minus into plus minus 4 into x, 4x, minus into minus plus 4 1 is 4 plus 4y plus 4 2s are 8 equal to 0. Now send this 2 into the bracket. 2 into x square 2x square plus 2 1 is 2 plus into minus minus 2 2s are 4x plus y square plus 4 plus 4y minus 4x plus 4 plus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. Now simplify with like terms. 2x square, is there any x square? No. Y square, is there any y square? No. Minus 4x minus 8x plus 4y plus 8y plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 10 plus 18 equal to 0. Okay. Now next fifth problem. The point to which the origin is shifted and the transformed equation are given below. Find the original equation. The point to be shifted. See, the new origin h comma k, or new origin we know. x dash is equal to new point x minus h, y dash is equal to new point y minus k. X dash is equal to h value, this is h, this is k. H value 3, y value minus 4, then x dash x minus 3, y dash y plus 4. Substitute x dash is equal to this one, y dash is equal to this one in the equation. X besides x minus 3, y besides y plus 4. This one also in the form of a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square. A square plus 3 3s are 9 minus 2 into x into 3. 2 3 are 6x plus a square y square plus 4 square 16 plus 2ab 2ay 2y into 4 2 4 8 y equal to 4. Take all terms is equal this side left hand side, x square plus y square minus 6x plus 8y. 16 and 9 25 plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 6y plus 8y. 25 minus 4 21 is equal to 0. Ask the equation. Now next fifth problem, same new origin, given transform equation, find the x dash y dash and substitute these values into this equation. Use the formula a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. Then you simplify it, maybe you will understand. Okay. Now next sixth problem, find the point to which the origin is to be shifted so as to remove the first degree terms from the equation. This is direct formula to remove the first degree terms, like xy degree terms. There are formulas, you check and learn. Compare given equation with the standard equation. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here ax square is equal to 4x square. X square same. A equal to 4. Now next 2hxy is equal to, where 2hxy, is there any xy value? X square, y square, x, y, there is no xy value, so is a 0. Then to find the value of h, you send all that side, it will be 0. H also 0. Next 2gx, where x minus 8x, 2gx is equal to minus 8x, x get cancel. Send 2 is equal to that side, minus 8 by 2, 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. So g value is minus 4. Like we will find the values. Now by square, b value 9. Next f, 2fy 36. 2fy is equal to 36. y get cancel. Then 2f is equal to 36, f is equal to 36 by 2, 2 1 ja, 2 18 ja. F value is 18. In this way we can compare the standard equation and given equation. We found the values of ah, g, b, f. Origin should be shifted to formula minus g by a comma minus f by b. G value minus 4, a value 4, f value 18, b value 9. Minus into minus plus 4 by 4 comma minus 18 by 9. 4 4 get cancel 1. 9 1 is 9. 9 2s are 18. Okay. Now next seventh one. When the axes are rotated through an angle 30. See, in previous section we learn about rotation of axis. Like in this case, see, this is x axis, this is y axis. In this case, rotation of axis, origin not change, origin same place, just this look like L, right angle change like this. Okay. If x axis rotated with anticlockwise theta degrees, then y axis also rotated anticlockwise with theta degrees, same, theta same. Here, when the axes are rotated through an angle 30 degrees, find the new coordinates of the following points. Before origin shifted, then old point p x comma y New point is x dash comma y dash. Here also same, but here origin is same. Axes are different, so x and y value also will be changed. Let p of x comma y 0 comma 5, and this is a standard point 0 comma 5. X dash y dash be the coordinates of p in the new system. Here theta given 30 degrees. To find x dash y dash, direct formula x cos theta y sin theta minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. To do this problem, you recall the trigonometric table: sin, cos, tan, cot, cosecant, secant, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1, like you recall all the values. Now, here x value is 0 and y value is 5. X 0 cos theta 30 plus y value 5 sin 30 minus 0 x sin 30 plus y cos 30. Before I told you more of the problem will come. CS means Chhatrapati Shivaji, cos theta sin theta. This is sequence. Keep in your mind. Okay. You multiply 0 with any number, you will get the same 0. So cos 30 root 3 by 2, 0 into root 3 by 2, 0 plus 5 by 2 comma 0 plus 5 into root 3 by 2, 5 root 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 5 root 3 by 2. The new coordinate of axis of P are, these are the x dash and y dash. Origin shifted. See, for example, x axis, y axis. Here point P, assume that this is 2 comma 3. If origin is same but axes are like this, axes are changed. Now this is x dash, this is y dash. Is the distance is same in two cases with P? Two origins is same? No. To check what is the distance with x axis, distance with the y axis. First p x comma y. After changing, p value is x dash comma y dash. Their origin shifted. In this case, origin not shifted, directions are shifted. This is transformation of axis. This is rotation of axis. Keep in your mind. Okay. First one completed. Minus 2 comma 4, 0 comma 0. Seventh one, 2 minus 2 comma 4. Same old point, minus 2 comma 4. Theta degrees. X cos theta, y sin theta, cos theta. Substitute the values. I did the simplification. Listen carefully. And you also do with your own. X cos x value minus 2, cos theta value 30, y value 4, sin 30 cos 30 root 3 by 2, sin 30 1 by 2. Do the simplification. 2 get cancel, minus root 3 plus 2 1 is 2 to the 4, 2 get cancel, 2 1 is 2 to the 4, 2 root 3. So write minus root 3 plus 2 or 2 minus root 3, both are same. These are the P of x dash comma y dash new points. Now third one, 0 comma 0, given theta 30 degrees. You substitute the values. When you multiply a number with 0, again we will get 0. Now next, eighth problem. When the axes are rotated through an angle 60 degrees, the new coordinate of 3 points are the following. 1, 2, 3. Find the original coordinates. Before problem we did original coordinates given, asked new coordinates. Here original coordinates not see, when the axes are rotated through an angle, the new coordinates of 3 points are given. Find original coordinates. Before original coordinates given, find new coordinates. This table is very important. Cos sin. Chhatrapati Shivaji. To write the value of x, you use like this. X is equal to x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta. Y is equal to x dash sin theta plus, because there is no minus, plus y dash cos theta. If you want to write x dash, reverse. Okay. Given theta is equal to 63 comma 4 p original coordinates, you substitute the values of in this formula. X dash value is 3, y dash value 4, cos 60, sin 60, sin 60, cos 60. Cos 60 1 by 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2. 2 1 2 2 cancel, 3 by 2 2 by root 3, 2 root 3 by 1, 3 not cancel, 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4. Do the simplification, you will get the original coordinates of P. Okay. Now same, 8th problem, second one, same as it is. Observe carefully, pause the video, observe carefully. Let x comma y be the original coordinates of Q. First one P, second one Q, last one R. No need to write that one. Then x dash y dash, what the value? Minus 7 comma 2 formula. Chhatrapati Shivaji, cos sin. Okay, to remember this formula, substitute these values, you will get the answer. Now at last, 9th problem. Find the angle through which the axes are to be rotated so as to remove the xy term in the equation. In formulas, I told you this one. Okay. Both cases, if A is equal to B, A and B both are same, where will come 45 degrees. In tan theta, 45 degrees. Okay. I hope you understood all problems. If you have any doubt, please give me in comment section. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel and share to your friends and family members.